I'm Trip.
And I'm Ash.
And this is our Ford Transit conversion build.
Come join us on our adventures.
Wow. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. And this is the first episode of my Ford Transit 250. So let's hang out. And if you're new to my channel and never been here before, I'm kind of a wannabe builder slash fabricator. Do a lot of car stuff. So building things isn't something new to me. I do a lot of other build videos, DIYs, part installs, track days type stuff. So even though I have a lot of mechanical build experience, I'm not, not as good with woodworking and building cabinets and floors and insulating. I mean, I've done some of that stuff a little bit, but not to this extent, so stay with me and we can maybe learn something together. So planning is definitely one of the first steps. I've watched like hundreds of van life builds and videos and started making sketches and wiring diagrams and lists and other things to help plan the build. Well, first day into my build and I'm already running into some issues. I want to take this wall out, but in order to do that I gotta take this wall out. But these screws, some of them are stripped out and being really a pain in the butt to get out. So I guess I gotta do what I do best. Just chop it. Because we all know how I like to cut shit. Just cut everything. If it's anyway, just cut. Got the wooden wall out, got the metal wall out, and turns out there's some insulation behind them. I mean, it wasn't done the best, but it was better than nothing, I guess. At least I have a template of when I make and insulate my wall. So the back's all cleaned up. Figure since I'm out here, we'll see if I can fix this fuel door. Luckily, it was in the glove compartment, so I still have one. But it's busted here. Apparently that's a common issue with these vans. So I'll see if I can fix it. So I did a temporary repair on it, drilled a hole, put some safety wires through it, so it stays. It's not great, but a lot better than it was.
You did it! Congratulations!
Hey, since right now I'm waiting on a lot of stuff to get shipped, did a pretty big order on Amazon. I do have this thing of sound deadening left over from my old project, so I figured I can put some of it on where I can. Maybe help a little bit. Okay, both wheel wells are done. Now I'm probably going to do the big portions of the wall, the empty sections. That way it's a little bit less tingy in here. That sounds like I'm in a tin can, which I won't have enough to do everything, but that's why I'm just going to do the big ones. So I had enough to do this wall, that wall, and most of that wall. That's all we had left. And of course most of those, which I put those back on. I did order a bunch of parts. and a lot of stuff's still on the way, but this is what came in so far. I ordered 2 of these Max fans, but only one came in, so hopefully the second one comes in today. And of course I was going to install it, but it's decided that it wants to rain. Well, since Ashley's at work making the bacon, guess I'll go ahead and get started. Let's put this fan in. Well, since it was wet outside, I came inside, did a bunch of measurements, and figured out where I need to make my starting holes. There's my 4 holes. Of course, that guy's over there making a lot of noise. I'm trying to make a video. Hey, I have a squirrel. Everything is marked up. Hello. It's not a bad saw. It's great for making straight cuts, but the blades don't last long at all. I had to swap a blade out just making this small cut. I'm gonna go back in my hole. That's the moment of truth. See if I did a good job. And she fits. Okay, now that that's cut, now I need to smooth it out, sand it down, then paint the bare metal, because we don't need rust. I wonder if it'll fit in the carport. It's definitely not fitting in the garage. Is it gonna fit? Fix the opening, but is it gonna clear out light? Oh yeah, she fits. Just don't have as much room to sit on top and work. So I got that all smoothed out, kind of sanded down before I paint it and put the fan in. I'm gonna work on the other fan, the one that goes up here. That way I can paint and seal in both at the same time. Okay, the second hole's done. It's cut out and I smoothed it back out. I've taped them both off. Now it's ready for a little bit of paint. Yay, my second fan just showed up. I'm so glad I didn't cut that hole for nothing. Also, my fuse box. I got my foam taped down. Got all my screw holes in. Now I gotta put some sealant on it. Make sure she's watertight before I can put the bezel on. Okay, both of those are sealed. Should be watertight. Now I just gotta put the fan on. It took most of the day, but both fans are in. That's what it looks like with it up. And that's with it down. Now I can stay cool. You gotta do the best part.
You ready? Oh, yes. What's this? So new. You look good.
Hey, it's the next day. Like I said, both fans are in. Now I gotta run the wiring. I'm not gonna hook it up yet because there's nothing to hook up to right now. I have to run the wiring across the ceiling, through the wall. Got the whole hill. I plan on having my fuse box and other electrical components about here on the inside of the bed that I can access to the garage. So I got both wiring ran through the wall, and I pulled the battery out of the Lotus so I can use it to test. See if these bad boys work. Moment of truth. Hey, she works. See this one pushing. And that one works too. And this one is pulling. Very nice, very nice. So we installed both fans, got them working, they don't leak, so that is a plus. But that is it for this video, but there will be another one on the way real soon. I think on that one I'm going to be playing with a lot of wiring, so come back for that. And until then, subscribe and hit that little notification bell. If you're new to the channel, check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.